going over one right now. Hold the whole transporter down.
The whole line, everything is down. What the?
Good thing we're grounded in 4 tires.
Ain't it? We had to go underneath power lines.
Yeah.
Look at them down. They're still down.
Yeah, all the way down.
All the way down, they're down.
Man. This is worse than the ice storm.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Except the roads were slippery in the ice storm.
Yeah.
But the damage to this is horrible. This will be probably they'll label it a, what do they call it? You know?
Catastrophe.
When it's all devastated. That Susie's yard's a mess. Behind me must be in a hurry. Probably late for work. You got a good excuse, buddy. Don't worry about it. I feel sorry for the power and light guys. They got a lot of work. They're going to be working all weekend. Same with the fire department. We're all going to be working all weekend.
We're all going to be without electricity for a while.
Yeah.
Except Snelling.
Right.
Perry lives down that road.
Right. I thought about going that way, but I'm afraid that road is probably worse. What?